In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link a debit or credit card to your PayPal account, a simple yet essential process for anyone new to using PayPal. First, you'll want to head over to the PayPal website. Simply open a browser and type in PayPal's official site, making sure you're visiting the genuine page for a seamless and secure experience. Upon reaching the home page, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're new. You'll usually see options like sending money, receiving payments, and crucially for us today, logging in. Next, you'll want to click on the Log In button. It's usually located at the upper right corner of the page, which directs you straight to the login page. Here, enter your credentials carefully. It's always a good idea to double check your information before proceeding to avoid any login issues. Upon successfully logging in, PayPal might need to verify your identity for added security. Usually this is done through a text message or a WhatsApp message sent to your registered phone number. Select your preferred option, whether it's a text or a WhatsApp notification, and wait for the code to arrive. Once you get that, input the verification code into the designated field to proceed further. Once inside your account dashboard, you'll want to navigate to your PayPal home. Here you'll see your account summary and other vital account options laid out neatly. Spend a bit of time here if you're unfamiliar with the layout, as it's useful information for managing your finances through PayPal. Now you'll want to focus on your wallet, which is an essential part of your PayPal account. You'll usually find this option in the menu bar or under your account options. By clicking on Wallet, you're entering the section where you get to manage your funding sources, whether they're bank accounts or cards. In this Wallet section, you're looking for an option that says Link a Card. Clicking on this will prompt you to enter your debit or credit card details. You'll need to provide essential information such as the card number, expiration date, and the CVC code, which is typically found at the back of your card. Be sure to enter these details correctly to avoid any inconvenience. After entering your card information, review everything to ensure it's accurate. It's critical that all the details match exactly with those on your card. Once you're confident all is in order, submit the information. Sometimes PayPal may take a small temporary charge from your card for verification purposes. Don't worry, it's a standard practice and will be refunded. And there you have it, your card should be successfully linked to PayPal, ready for transactions. This setup enables you to make purchases online conveniently and securely, contributing to an enhanced PayPal experience. Thank you for following along, and I hope you found this guide helpful.